Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Today is February the 16th. We are out here in a little town not far from Chattanooga, Tennessee called Udala. I think it's Udala. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. But anyway, this is a client that actually found me on YouTube. He called me last week on a Sunday, and I called him back, and he said, Courtney, we moved out of a house, and the floors need some TLC. They got a few estimates, okay? And he said, Courtney, we got quotes of $20,000 to replace his floor because it's that same hand scrape engineer floor you guys see me do all the time. So anyway, I got one of my colleagues out here with me, George. He's one of my good buddies. So he met me at the office this morning about 8:30. Not a bad drive, like an hour, 45-minute drive. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. Guys, so again, we are in Udala, Tennessee. Beautiful neighborhood. Not a bad ride. It's a little chilly. Let's show you what we got going. So anyway, guys, these floors, they had a dog. You want to zoom in. One of the biggest issues was all these surface scratches everywhere. Everywhere, man. So there's two things that's going on with this floor I can see. First, they have a residue issue. There has been some type of residue on this floor. Look like it's also, this floor has taken a lot of wear. See all this, guys? See all those? So the client did put down a 25% deposit for me to come, and then he's gonna pay the other 75%, and the owner's gonna meet me. And they are excited because of my process of being able to save these floors. This is a little bit over 1,000. I think he was 1,050 square feet. So what we're gonna do, guys, me and George gonna get this floor screened down. See all that right there, guys? So that's why I'm zooming in. See all that? So we're gonna screen it, do some light color correction. We got this, there's George right there. Say what's up, George? All right, guys, this room right here, which is a 2-bed. And really just this main, you see that, guy? Let me zoom in, see all that? That's just wear. This floor, the coating, I don't know how old the home is, but the coating is just worn off. So we're gonna get some good coating, Pro Coat matte back on this floor. All right, guys, let me zoom in. See right there where George is standing. See all that? Yep, see all those? And those are really not, those are, really bad surface scratches. A lot of. So yeah, so anyway, guys, let us get to it and make this floor look good again. And stay tuned. All right, guys, we are cleaning and prepping the floor. It's just a little demonstration. If you go back to the beginning of the video, remember that area all right here where you can see all those scuff marks and those scratches? Look now. Look at that. Wow. All right, so we are cleaning the floor now and also doing a little color correction. We'll zoom in. Go back to the beginning of the video. Remember all that. Look at that. Now this floor is ready for new coating. So I just got through mixing the coating. Oh, just put in the cross links, Pro Coat. All right, guys, coating is going down. All right, guys, check it out, check it out, check it out. The first thing I want to do is zoom in. You guys remember before? Look at that now. Look at that now. All right. Remember at the beginning of the video, all of that, those worn areas, those surface scratches in the floor. Look how much better this floor. Now that's a shadow, probably from right there. But anyway, guys, If you look really close, now you really can't see them. But okay, like right here. You see right here, guys? You see right here, right there. You see like right here, right there. Those are called dog indentions. And that's basically, you can Google this, all right? This is facts. This is a birch wood. And if you go to Google and you do what they call it's called a Jenga scale. Jenga scale basically measures how hard each wood is, and birch is actually one of the softest woods out there. It's a very soft wood, okay, one of the softest. So when it comes to the dog indentions, this is something that just can't be avoided, and especially with a soft wood. And what happened is, a lot of times people say, oh, these are scratches, those are scratches, and I have to correct people, you know, and as a professional, I have to do that. I said, no, those are indentions. And it's basically when the pressure of the dog nails, and especially when it's a big dog, it pushes down into the wood and it causes those indention marks, and especially in a soft wood. I have a lot of clients who have Brazilian cherry. Brazilian cherry is a hard floor. It's one of the hardest floors. You don't really see this issue in Brazilian cherry because, again, it's harder. So with that being said, guys, the floors look, I'm gonna say, I always tell people you can expect a 50 to a 80% improvement. See, like right here, see right here, you see how you can, but you have to really look really close and also from an angle to see those. But with that being said, guys, these floors look amazing. So what we did was screened, vacuum, clean, color correction in certain areas, added color back to the floor, kind of like right there, and coat it, and you can see how much better this floor looks now. So much better. Let me zoom in again. Just go to the beginning of the video. All right. And also too, man, I will say this: a lot of times the landlords will rent homes out, and they will have these type of issues. And they say, well, Courtney, what can we do to avoid this? I say, because if they have big dogs, it's going to happen, guys. It's just nothing you can avoid. Floors are not scratch proof and they're not bulletproof. So what I tell people is two things you can do. You can either say no dogs over, let's say 35, 40 pounds, or no dogs at all. But if you allow someone to have dogs in your property, this is going to happen. There's just no way you can avoid it. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. Oh man, this floor looks amazing. Amazing. Wow. All right, guys. Yeah, that room right there was just not as bad. All right, guys. See you in the next one.